Hello guys, it's Steve here. It is Thursday, February 8th, 2018, and we're supposed to have huge snowstorms, a shitloads of snow. This is supposed to be the biggest snowstorm in my area since November 22nd, 2015. That's what they said on the news. So it's been a couple years since we had a lot of snow. 2016 and 2017, it apparently didn't snow that much. Even though we did have some snowstorms those 2 years, we didn't really have a lot. Like, this is like the first time we're gonna be in like double digits of snow, of inches, since 2015. I remember that was also the year we had the blizzard. We had the blizzard in like February of 2015, and they said that this could possibly be a blizzard. I don't know. There's definitely gonna be school closings, but right now the temperature is currently 18 degrees Fahrenheit. It is cloudy, feels like 11 degrees. Southwest winds 5 miles per hour. Humidity 82%. Dew point 13 degrees. Visibility 9 miles. Barometer 30 inches. UV index 0 low. I'm gonna click on this. It says in the day it was partly cloudy when it was actually mostly cloudy. I'm not going to read all this. Historical weather. In the past 30 years, it snowed 18 out of 30 times on this day. The average high for this date is 33 degrees. Average low, 18 degrees. Average rainfall, 0.5 inches. Record high, 51 degrees in 1990. Record low, -5 in 2007. Record rainfall, 0.56 inches in 2013. And here's the hourly forecast. It's supposed to snow non-stop. It's not gonna snow, or it's not gonna stop anytime soon. It's gonna snow till like 6 o'clock or even past 6 o'clock, because this only goes up to 6 p.m. tomorrow. So we're gonna have a lot of snow. It's gonna last who knows how long. Hang on. Here's all the snow. This is the snow that's hitting the Chicagoland area. And it goes all the way up to North Dakota. So all this is gonna come in my area. This is a lot. Yeah. And even this snow over here, this may hit my area too. Sorry, hopefully the computer doesn't crash. It sometimes crashes when I'm on the weather app, the radar. It's probably because this webcam makes the computer crash. Does it go anymore? Yep, so there's a little bit coming in my area now. So it probably already started snowing. Yeah, it did. But we're supposed to have a shitloads of snow. The most since 2015. But yeah, I'll record some of the snow, and yeah.
Alright, we're outside. A bunch of snow on the ground. It's definitely starting to snow. There are a lot of mountains of snow. This is only the beginning, so it's gonna get a lot worse. Ah, shit. People are probably looking at me. Trying to climb this mountain. Oh shit. Fucking tree branches. I'm high up and I'm sinking in the snow. Like I'm sinking in quicksand. Hope the battery doesn't die. I don't know if I'm gonna come here or not. People are looking. It's really hard to walk, but hey, it's a good exercise. Get your legs stronger. It's like that side of the street's not hard to walk. It's only this side. For some reason. I don't know why. Look at all this snow. Jesus. Battery's probably gonna die soon, so I may not record too much more. Snow on the cars? Look at this huge mountain of snow. It's like a wall. It's not zoomed in, is it? It's like a mountain. Another huge mountain of snow. It's 29 degrees. Hang on, let's see the time and temp again. Hang on. Come on. Time and... Oh shit. Those are coyotes. It would be awesome to go sledding down this hill. Remember back in like 2014, in like the winter time, early 2014, me and my friend Michael, we actually sledded down this hill over here, what we called boogie boarding. Look, jeez, it's up to my ankles, like higher than that. Alright, it is the next day, it's the next morning, the 9th of February, and it's snowing still. You may not be able to see the snow falling because it's too bright, the sky's white. And look at the ground, look how deep this is. I'm gonna take a little walk. This is a shitloads of snow. Here's the streets. May have plowed it a little bit, but to keep snowing. Alright, the snow has stopped, and here's the aftermath. The snow is deep. Yeah. There's a pathway over there. Yeah, this is a shitload of snow. Sucks for a lot of people have to like shovel this away, you know, in order to walk. People gotta shovel either for it to be easy to walk or for it to, you know, to drive, to back their car out. This is a shitload of snow. Jeez, look at this, it goes up to my knees. It's up to my knees. This is how much snow there is. Gotta like walk in the street where it's the easiest to walk. Just look how much this is. Look how high the snow goes. It's like a bunch of mountains. And believe it or not, I actually saw on the news, guys, that apparently my town that I live in got the most snow out of every other town that got hit with snow. My town got the most snow, which is pretty, I don't know. Jeez, look, it's like a mountain. Mountains of snow. I just hope there are no cars coming. Yeah. Can't wait for summer, so we don't gotta deal with all the snow. Because it sucks about winter. Too much snow. You gotta shovel. You gotta wipe your car off. A lot of other things, but I may record a little bit more. Again, I'm buried in the snow. Jesus. Ah, shit! I literally fell in the snow. Jesus, my pants are filled with snow. I literally fell. I literally sunk. That's how fucking deep the snow is. The mailbox, shitloads of snow on it. Yep, this is definitely winter weather. If you live in Florida or California, like Southern California, like Los Angeles, San Diego, Anaheim, or Texas, you never have to deal with this. Although I do remember Texas getting snow like a while back. But, you know, Arizona, you don't get this stuff. But yeah, this is winter weather, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who live in like Arizona, Southern California, Texas, Florida, or anywhere in the South where you don't really get winter weather like this. sidewalk is shoveled over here. There's the bushes covered with snow. Now over here it's not shoveled. So I gotta struggle walking. Over there's the sidewalk, but it's not shoveled, which is lovely. Not over here either. So I gotta walk through this bar parking lot. Now here's the stairs. This is gonna be, oh shit, it's hard. I'm like literally slipping down. This could be like a slide. This is challenging. Oh shit. Gotta be careful. Gotta walk into the Osco parking lot just to not walk in the snow. I'm sure a lot of schools had no school because of this. Yeah, this is like a blizzard that we had. And there's actually supposed to be more snow coming, like light snow, like tonight. They said it's gonna have snow tomorrow, so it may even be worse. Mountain is like so tall, it's like as big as Mount Rushmore. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Let me climb up this a bit. There's Arby's over here. Gotta climb up this. Yep. See how it goes up to my knees? Yep, this is definitely a blizzard. Like, it's the pathway through the Arby's drive-through. But yeah, again, really bad winter weather. Something's wrong with these sensing lights. They flicker on and off. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Just recorded the start of the snow last night, some of the snow this morning, and now the aftermath. And now I'm gonna end this video, so see you later guys, goodbye. Do more videos, any type of video I do in this channel, bye.